So this is either going to be one of the most informative videos I've ever made or the most embarrassing video I've ever made. Probably a little of both. Today we're going to talk about the bum gun, B-U-M gun, one of the few guns that Americans don't really know how to use. If you've not been to Thailand or the Philippines, I'm sure other places, but the Thailand and the Philippines are the two places I've seen this style of bidet. Now, if you've been to Italy, you've probably seen a bidet that is essentially like a second bowl. There's a toilet sort of next to the toilet, but the spray comes up the middle of that bowl, and that's the bidet they would use, say, in Italy. We have a bidet in Chicago attached to our toilet. You can buy these through Amazon, and they kind of fit under the toilet seat, and there's a little knob to the side that adjusts the pressure and the spray and that sort of thing. And there's two nozzles, one for women and one for men, obviously because two different angles, right? If you've never used a bidet, yeah, you want to feel third world, go someplace where they use a bidet and then go back to America where we don't use a bidet and you were like, what are we doing? Come on. And I'm going to have to try to be as good as I can within the confines of YouTube. I don't want to be gross and I don't want to be TMI, but come on, it's a function that we all do, and cleaning ourselves is a function that we all do. So why not talk about it? But here in Thailand, and again in the Philippines, but I'm in Thailand right now. In fact, I'll show you. Look at that. That is Bangkok behind me. Love Bangkok. Love it, love it, love it. If you ever get a chance to come, please do. It's a fantastic big city full of chaos and hectic and whatever else. Everything that I love as a traveler. I love this kind of stuff. But the bum gun for Americans is a very different thing. And it can be a little confusing. It shouldn't be, and you'll see that it's really not. But again, the bum gun is, again, as I said, the gun that Americans don't know how to use. And at first you might think, I don't really know the logistics of it. Never fear, I'm here to show you how to use the logistics of the bum gun. So let's go ahead into the bathroom and I will show you as best I can. Okay, so let's go to the bathroom. This is my hotel room here in Bangkok. And that is the bum gun right there. You see, it looks like a standard garden hose. It really, for all intents and purposes, it is a garden hose. It sits right there next to the toilet. I'll back up a little bit so you can get the full view. It sits right there next to the toilet where you would expect it to be. Okay, so now the first question obviously is, how do you use it? And again, I'm going to be as careful as I can because this is YouTube. It's a family channel. But I'm going to try to explain to you and show you to a degree how I use the bum gun. And I'm a guy, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so let's just pretend that I have finished whatever I was doing. And the bum gun is right here to my side. Now, it's a garden hose. I mean, it's like every garden hose you ever used, except we're not cleaning a driveway. Not really. I'm going to do this upside down, right? And then I'm going to just gently lift up, reach behind me, and clean myself with that. Now, I'm trying so hard to be not crude. You could go in from the front. I'm a guy, so we have obstacles in the way. If you're a woman, you have a cleaner shot, if you will, a smoother shot. And if you're a woman, obviously you're cleaning different parts for different things. So you could come in from the front and go down. You could come in from the back and go up and under. Does that make it clear? I don't think you need to see anything more than that. But I do want to show you one thing, just real quick. All right, so I'm going to tell you one more thing. It's a garden hose. It's as strong as you might expect a garden hose to be sometimes. It's not a trickling pressure, so you want to do a full blast. I feel like some water could shoot out your nose. I know it's not a direct path, but damn, sometimes it feels like it could be. You want to kind of go easy on that. But it's very, very effective. I'm going to show you though how strong it is, just so you know what you're getting into. Okay, so I promise this is the only time I'm going to show you a toilet. Got the bum gun, just to give you a sense. pretty strong, right? So again, that was probably a very embarrassing video to a degree, but I hope that it was actually informative. I hope it gave you some indication of how to use it. So when you show up in Thailand, you don't think, oh boy, what do I do with this? Or you show up anywhere else in the world where they have that style of bidet, that you're not intimidated or freaked out or have to go scrambling to the internet to see exactly what you should do. You can just remember your good buddy Mike. He showed you how to do it. And it's very simple, and really, quite frankly, as I've said, and I was kind of joking about it, but joking in the way that I said it, when you've used a bidet anywhere else in the world and you come back to the United States, you do sort of wonder why we don't use that as just a normal function of every household. It's so much more hygienic and clean. It's just sort of baffling that Americans find that very odd. It doesn't make any sense at all. But anyway, there you go. That's my little helpful tip for today. And before you leave, I'm going to give you one more shot at Bangkok because I love it. There is Bangkok. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you check out some of my other videos. If you have any questions at all, leave me a comment. I always respond to you. And until we talk again, take care.